stop talking to cops. No, I'm just kidding. Keep on talking to them. I'm sure everything will be just fine. Today, we're going to encounter this hardened criminal, worthy of only the most humiliating treatment. These, on the other hand, are angels, purely angelic beings, without the wings, of course, sent to us by God to keep society safe. I got a question for you. What if a group of people got together in your neighborhood and decided, hey, let's go around acting like everybody's friend?
I'm very friendly. See my award-winning smile and my ponytail bun thingy on top of my head?
I'm Officer Sassman, and I'm also friendly.
That's right, Roger. You are friendly, but not as friendly as me.
We're also very friendly. What if their goal was to approach people in the community and appear polite, kind, and trustworthy so they could trick people into giving them information that this group would use against them? And by use against them, I mean physically and economically harm them. You know, things where if you did the exact same thing, you'd get slammer time.
Stop. Hammer time.
No, I meant slammer time. You know, like jail. That group is not here to keep society from harm. They're not here to take down real criminals who actually harm others and steal stuff. This group has developed a crazy amount of rules, and if you violate just one of these rules, they reserve for themselves the right to harm you. What if you knew about the existence of such a group? Shh, don't let them know you're talking about them. They have really fragile egos. Wouldn't you want to get together with your neighbors and kind of do something about it? Thankfully, we have video evidence of such a group. Yeah, sure. This girl with yoga pants, fresh makeup, and a nice smile looks harmless. But she's in possession of
Fake IDs, eyelash brushes, and THC. People like this are destroying the world and must be stopped.
Let's just listen to how nice and disarming this cop is to Miss Yoga Pants.
Hello. We stopped you because the car is coming back as an abandoned vehicle.
Oh, really?
Yes. Which car is it?
It's my dad's car, but
Okay. Did he have it towed in like Miami?
it was towed in Miami. I had it towed in Miami and we had to get it back.
Okay, so you were driving it in Miami?
Yes.
Okay.
And he knows he had to get the whole thing notarized.
I gotta confirm it with Miami because
Okay.
they're the ones that entered it into the system.
Okay.
So when a car gets towed and the owner is not present, they usually enter it as an abandoned vehicle.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Okay.
So it's going in the system, so cops that run up, if a cop runs your tag, it's gonna pop up as an
Oh, wow. Okay,
Yeah.
yeah, I got towed like a month ago, so I'm surprised this is the first time.
Yeah. All right. Well, I'm gonna have them confirm it and get that taken out of the system, and I'll be right back.
Okay, thank you so much.
Yeah.
Now, Officer 2 arrives on the scene to make,
Nicey small talk.
I'm sure it'll be fine.
Feel free to just talk at will. Say anything you want. Answer all their questions. They're not there to harm you. They're there to help you.
Hi. What's going on? Not much?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just drive home.
Oh, yeah? All right. I'm just her backup, so
Okay.
let's see what's going on. So what happened? So where was this car?
It was in Miami. I went down to get a tattoo and I parked in front of the fire hydrant and it was realized that I was
Oh.
fire hydrant.
You don't want to mess with the boys.
Yeah, and within 5 minutes of me being there, it was towed.
So we just gotta sit here and wait a little bit.
Okay.
What was that?
I'm so sorry, my car's a little messy.
Listen, this is not messy compared to what kind of cars I see on a daily basis.
Oh,
You're fine. You're good. Have you been pulled over before?
I have been
Oh, okay.
back in 2018.
Oh, okay. I just didn't want you to be like nervous.
Oh no, I'm okay.
Okay. I had people cry.
Oh,
All the
I
time.
cried last time. but
Yeah.
I was speeding, so I got
okay.
arrested for that.
I'm gonna ask you a question, alright? Mind if I search the car? Okay.
Mind if I search the car?
Do you mind if I search your car? Why would anybody in their right mind want to take a job where they can rifle through the personal belongings of another person?
Officer, could you do a body cavity search too while you're at it? I mean, I don't feel like I've given up enough of my rights today, and I also feel like something crawled up inside of me and died. I need a verification on that.
You hang out with her.
Can I ask why you guys are searching the car?
She asked.
Okay.
Would you want this nice officer going through your things?
Do you vape or is it
I do.
bad?
I know.
You should not vape. Do you use like flavors or?
Yeah, it's just men.
Hey, ring.
Oh, thank you. My dad gave it to me.
Very nice.
Never give consent. In case you missed it, the cop's bracelet says, keep shining. See, that proves she's an angel sent by God Almighty from above.
Just get off work or working out or?
No, I just got a haircut. Actually, I work at 4. So.
And I wish it would cool off.
Yeah. Oh my God. It's when I get into my car, because in my driveway, the sun just beats right down in it.
Sun visor.
I do have one in the back seat. I just always forget when I'm coming home from work to put it up.
Do you have a medical marijuana card?
I do not.
No. Do you ever smoke weed?
I have.
How long has it been since you smoked weed?
I smoked yesterday.
Did you? You don't use it in your vape, do you?
No, I don't.
I'm still waiting to hear back. We sent the confirmation out to Miami to have it removed from the system. I'm still waiting to hear back if they had it done yet. Now you know not to park in front of a fire hydrant.
Yeah, I know. Oh my God, my dad was fucking furious. It's just an eyelash brush.
You got a lot of these.
Yeah, I get my eyelashes done and she gives me some every time I go.
Like, dang, what are these?
Yeah, they're just for my eyelashes.
Yeah, I bet your car gets really hot.
Oh my God, I can't even touch my steering wheel.
Read anything or no?
Huh?
She read anything or no?
No.
I did have a weed pen in my car.
You have a weed pen?
And I really...
Hold on. Alright, if we're going to talk about anything like a weed pen, I got to read you your rights, okay? Or you mean you're under arrest? It doesn't mean you're under arrest. It just means I have to read your rights. We're going to talk about it, okay? Alright, you have the right to remain silent, not answer any questions, okay?
You do know you have that right, right? I mean, even the cop says it. You don't have to answer their questions. And if you're uncomfortable not saying anything, just hand them the Trifold and let it do your talking for you. Tell them from this point on, if you have any more questions, just refer back to this. The link is in the description, but listen, talking will not do you a bit of good. Yet this poor girl, thinking the cops are her friends, answered every one of their questions and gave away her right to be secure in her property. Be quiet.
Any statement you make must be freely and voluntarily given, okay? You have the right to the presence and representation of a lawyer of your choice before you make any statements during the question, okay? If you cannot afford a lawyer, you are entitled to the presence and representation of a court-appointed lawyer before you make any statements during any question, okay? If at any time during the interview you do not wish to answer the questions, you are privileged to remain silent. Do you understand? I can make no threats or promises to induce you to make a statement simply of your own free will. Do you understand? Any statement can and will be used against you in a court of law. Did you understand those rights? That's not a weed pen, right?
No, it's not.
That's just your vape pen?
It is.
Why do you carry it right there?
I usually don't, but I had it in my lap when I was driving and I didn't have anywhere to
Yeah,
put
she
it.
said she has a marijuana pen in there.
Had fake IDs.
And you have fake IDs.
They are mine. They're in my name.
They're what?
They're in my name.
You had these made up.
They were ordered.
So you had them made up.
Not me personally, but
What do you mean not you personally?
my friend made.
Isn't it ironic that the fiction called the state can issue IDs and print money and they're considered real? But if you make your own IDs or print your own money, they're considered fake and you're subject to penalties and jail time.
You asked your friend for it? Because like, people don't usually just.
No, I know. Yeah. Okay. I was just saying I didn't physically make the order. But yes.
Yeah, you went there and asked them to have her make. You got 3 of them? Or is there more?
No, there's only one.
Do you have a testing? Or no?
Yeah, I do. 44.
Okay. So, what was the deal with those?
They were in my purse.
You know, I get the obvious, but what's the, like, what are they for?
I don't know. I have them. My friends got them because we're all in college, and they want me to come and visit them in college.
How old are you?
I'm 20. I'm gonna be 21 in 6 months, 5 months.
The marijuana card or anything like that?
Where did you get it from?
One of my friends.
Your friend ordered, like, your friend bought it for you?
Yes, I don't know.
Sounds like your friends do a lot for you.
Sounds like your friends do a lot for you.
Public service reminder, tyranny with a smile is still tyranny.
That they probably shouldn't keep it.
Yeah.
I know, it's hot. It's already purple.
Oh yeah.
It's positive.
What's your phone?
It's a felony to be in possession of fraudulent driver's licenses and the marijuana vape pen. Okay. So unfortunately, I do have to place you under arrest.
She's in the notes, right?
Yes.
Number 6.
Life to this for me. Also, I think it's small.
The female in the notes, she's going to be 1015 for signal 18.
We're gonna come back into the car. You still have your gloves on. I know she's not wearing my signature.
Yeah, and then her neck.
Yeah, and her earrings.
Yep. Knock off your shoe for me. It's like you almost knew that I was looking in that purse. Right? It's okay, you can be honest.
Yes.
It's not my first day. I know it's here.
I'm not a bad kid.
I know you're not. Here. But I want this to be a lesson for you, okay?
Yes, I'm my first.
Okay. So, and actually even more so of a lesson. You know, it's not our first day on the road, all right? I know, but here's the thing. Now let this be a lesson, okay? You shouldn't have fake IDs, and you should not have THC. In the purse? Well, I'll look. Yeah, like
All I can say at this point is, thank God these uniformed angels got this vermin off the street. I mean, just look at her. Can you imagine the amount of damage she could have done to society if she wasn't intercepted by the road patriots? You know what the takeaway of this video is? Cops, even the seemingly nice ones, are not your friends. Don't talk to them and never prostitute your consent. Leave your thoughts about this video for the world and the global thought police in the comments section below. If you haven't done so already, subscribe to this channel, hit the bell notification icon, give it a thumbs up, share it with everybody you know. Don't forget to subscribe to my email list through my website, highimpactflix.com. If you want to support the channel further, grab a hard-hitting conversation starting shirt, become a channel member, but more importantly, stand for and fight for your freedoms. Freedom is dangerous. It's uncomfortable. It's a little crazy sometimes. But the only thing more dangerous, uncomfortable, and crazy is not having freedom. I'll see you guys in the next video.